In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove payment method in GoDaddy. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. Type GoDaddy into the search bar, then click the official GoDaddy website. Once you're on the home page, sign into your account with your usual credentials. After you've successfully logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your account name or profile icon there. Click it to open the account menu. From that menu, choose Account Settings. This takes you to the central place where you can manage key details tied to your profile. On this page, look for the section labeled Payment Methods. Go ahead and select it. This is where GoDaddy lists the credit cards, debit cards, PayPal accounts, or other payment options currently associated with your account. On the Payment Methods page, find the specific method you want to remove. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct one. This helps avoid removing the wrong card or account by mistake. On the same line as that payment method, you'll see an icon with 3 dots, sometimes called the More Options or Overflow menu. Click those 3 dots to reveal the available actions for that payment method. In the options that appear, choose Delete. When you click Delete, GoDaddy will display a confirmation prompt. This is a safety step to make sure you really intend to remove that payment method. Review the message carefully, then confirm the deletion to proceed. Once confirmed, GoDaddy removes that payment method from your account, and it will no longer be available for purchases or renewals. A quick tip here: if you rely on automatic renewals for domains or hosting, make sure you won't inadvertently interrupt those services by removing a method you still need. It's always a good idea to double-check which products are set to renew and which payment method they use before you confirm deletion. If you don't see the payment methods option where you expect it, try viewing the site on a desktop browser or refresh the page after signing in. If the delete option isn't available for a particular method, it could be because it's currently tied to an active transaction or default setting. In that case, review your renewals and billing status, then try again once everything is clear. And if the page looks different due to a recent design update, the controls may still be in the same general area near each listed method. That's all there is to it. You've successfully removed a payment method in GoDaddy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.